Stewy, Emery, Robin, and Mark are in Barcelona, Spain. Our 9-day cruise from Rome to Barcelona ended early this morning. We decided to stay an extra night and see some of the sights before flying out the next day. Our hotel was the Grand Havana and was centrally located in the heart of this beautiful city. We strolled to the Casa Batlló, created by the world-famous Gaudi, to see the wonderful architecture before we walked the famous La Rambla Street. The Lego store was amazing and had a model of the Sagrada Família cathedral that was huge. Lunch was at the La Poma restaurant, and Meow the robot server was a big hit. After lunch, we discovered the Torrons Vicens, which is a renowned confectionery shop famous for its nougat candy. Late afternoon found us on a guided tour of the La Sagrada Família, which is one of the most famous and unique architectural landmarks in the world. Dinner was at the hotel, and we called it an early night as our flights were leaving in the morning. Join us today on our fall adventure as we explore Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, is a vibrant city known for its unique blend of modern and historic architecture. The city is famous for the works of Antoni Gaudi, including the iconic Sagrada Família and Park Güell. These architectural marvels showcase Gaudi's distinctive style and are a must-see for anyone exploring the city. Barcelona is also renowned for its lively cultural scene. From the bustling La Rambla to the serene beaches along the Mediterranean coast, there's something for everyone. The city's culinary offerings are equally impressive, with a wide variety of tapas bars and seafood restaurants that highlight the flavors of Catalonia. We checked into our hotel, the Grand Havana, very centrally located near Plaça de Catalunya. We stored our luggage at the bell desk as our rooms were not going to be ready until the afternoon. Our guided tour of the La Sagrada Família started at 4 p.m., so we had time to walk and see the amazing architecture of the city. The grid layout is easy to navigate as we made our way along the tree-lined streets to find the Casa Batlló. As we were up early and had breakfast in the morning before disembarking the Prima, we needed cappuccinos and a snack, and we tried the breadfish rolls. Yummy. At the end of the street was the intersection of the Passeig de Gràcia, and we could see the Casa Batlló. The road was decorated for Christmas, and the sunlight sparkled on the ornaments as far as we could see. Just magical. The Casa Batlló is located in the heart of Barcelona and is a stunning example of Antoni Gaudi's architectural genius. Originally built in 1877, it was remodeled by Gaudi in 1904 and is now a museum. Passeig de Gràcia is one of the major avenues in Barcelona and a key shopping and business area known for its high-end designer stores. Before long, we found ourselves at Plaça de Catalunya, a large square in central Barcelona, often considered the city's main hub. The square is known for its fountains, statues, and the flocks of pigeons that gather there. Several important avenues meet at Plaça de Catalunya, including Passeig de Gràcia, Rambla de Catalunya, and La Rambla. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists. La Rambla is one of the most famous streets in Barcelona. It's a great place to experience the essence of Barcelona's cultural history. The pedestrian walkway is paved with wavy stones that give the illusion of dips and rises, but it is actually flat. With all the walking, Emery's watch was giving out gold stars for steps and encouraging us to keep going. but we were ready for lunch. The La Poma restaurant is a well-known dining spot located on La Rambla. With over 50 years of history, it has become a classic in Barcelona. Stewy and Emery love the pizza in Europe, so guess what we had? And the local brews and wines were delicious. We were all fascinated by Meow, the robot server, as it cheerfully delivered food and drink to the various tables, and its facial expressions were so cute.
One crème brûlée. Okay, bye, Meow.
It's a traditional Catalan dessert.
Catalan dessert. So, all right, you guys have another bite?
Creamy, right on top, really glazed. Very creamy. Emery.
Stewy, aren't you going to have a bite?
I am.
Okay.
Oh, it's got the really on top.
After lunch, we crossed the street and discovered the renowned Torrons Vicens confectionery shop, famous for its artisanal nougat and other sweet specialties. Established in 1775, Torrons Vicens has a long tradition of crafting high-quality nougat, using original recipes and the finest ingredients.
My name is Raja.
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 Raja, and what do you have in your hand, Raja?
Okay, we have a plate of nougats. This is crunchy almond, creme brulee with orange, nuts with cream and white chocolate, and this is soft almonds.
Which one's your favorite?
My favorite is the creme brulee one.
Is it for you? Thank you so much. Thank you.
See, we've got the walkway.
Creme brulee, yeah. Really good. Freshly made, too. Friendly. Just keep that one. Our suitcases are full, Stewy.
We took a taxi to the tour company meeting point for our 4 p.m. guided tour of the Sagrada Família. As we waited at a nearby cafe for the tour to begin, we marveled at the outside of the basilica. Designed by the renowned architect Antoni Gaudi, it is one of the most famous and unique architectural landmarks in the world and is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. Gaudi devoted the last years of his life to this project and is buried in the church's crypt. Construction began in 1882 and is still ongoing. It is the largest unfinished Catholic church in the world. Completion is expected in 2026. We returned to the hotel and moved into our rooms. Dinner was at the hotel as we called it an early evening as our flights were leaving the next morning.
Okay, so
It's upstairs.
we're in the Havana. Havana. Grand Hotel Havana. At the Pool Up restaurant, which is off of the lobby, like most every, because we didn't want to go out anymore because we already walked like 8 miles today.
The difference between the mature beef and the old cow.
$1.
Okay, so
$1. You have to
this
pay
is what's so
$1.
funny to us right now. Okay, we think they're trying to say aged beef, but it's old cow beef,
Or mature beef.
which is even older than matured beef.
You think, oh yeah, because it is one
Yeah.
step down from a mature beef.
That's right. So
There's mature, that's probably like midlife, and then old is one step away from mature beef.
yeah, matured. You're right. Is
You know what rocket is? I've noticed the word rocket in a lot of stuff. Sourdough bread with rocket.
so. What are we talking
What?
about? Rocket cheese. Where's that rocket?
Rocket
stuff?
cheese on the salad.
On the salad.
Yeah, it's
rocket.
arugula.
It's arugula. Rocket means arugula.
know what rocket
There's a
is.
vegetable sandwich made with lettuce, tomatoes, and tuna. Hard-boiled eggs.
So it's not.
So
it's
I don't think it's vegetable.
It's pescatarian. But not
Pescatarian, but it's not. It's like not vegan.
We realized that we should have stayed longer in Barcelona as there was so much to see and experience in this amazing city. Thanks for watching.